Welcome to Jolly Star Learning, where education is exciting and every day is a new adventure. Join us as we explore letters, numbers, science, and more.
Hi, kids. Now it's time to play a fun game. Can you guess this action verbs? What action do you think this is? Eat. Great job! This is eating. What action do you think this is? Drink. Great job! This is drinking. What action do you think this is? Read. Great job! This is reading. What action do you think this is? Write. Great job! Is this writing? What action do you think this is? Laugh. Great job! This is laughing. What action do you think this is? Cry. Great job! This is crying. What action do you think this is? Catch. Great job! This is catching. What action do you think this is? Sing. Great job! This is singing.
Thank you for learning with Jolly Star Learning. Keep exploring, keep growing, and we'll see you next time.